Today I'm making a 5-ingredient under $10 dessert. I'm making cookies and cream cupcakes. The ingredients you'll need is 1 box of chocolate cake mix, 1 bottle of Dr. Thunder, 1 pack of chocolate sandwich cookies, 1 container of whipped topping, and 1 container of fluffy white icing. First, in a bowl, add the chocolate cake mix. Next, add 12 ounces of the Dr. Thunder. Mix it up until it's combined. Next, scoop the batter into a lined muffin pan. Next, place a chocolate sandwich cookie on top of each cupcake and then bake this at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. Next, I'm going to make the icing, so I'm going to add the whole container of the fluffy white icing and half of the whipped topping and mix that up until smooth. Once the cupcakes are done and cooled, I added them to a tray and I have the icing in a piping bag and I'm going to pipe a swirl on each cupcake. Then I took the rest of the chocolate sandwich cookies and crushed them up. I'm going to take each cupcake and dip it in the cookies. Here's an up close look at the cupcakes.